Batman the Man.
Yeah.
We're gonna be eating the dog food.
And, well, Batman the Man is recording.
Yeah, he's also recording.
And he's just gonna do the same thing with me. So, okay, evidence of the dog food.
We have to do two for the viewers.
Fine! Go get one.
Okay, for both of us.
Just have to make it for this part.
Shut up. You're stupid. For the viewers, Romeo, for the viewers.
I'm back. Time to try 2 dog food things. Are you gonna do it?
Oh, I'm going first?
Yeah, I don't think you'll do it.
Oh, you don't think I'll do it? Okay. I just dropped one on the floor and I'll do it. Oh, we're going to be using this for backup, and I don't know why.
No, I had a cup of water and meal.
Oh!
Yeah, whatever,
Just gonna.
that one's mine too. So, you go first. Do it, and I'll record. Camera.
Or can you record on him? Yours is easy.
So I have.
Can you see
That
it?
was so. Wait a second. There, I'm recording you on my. Wow, I'm recording. Oh
No,
my
don't do
god.
that.
Did your camera sucks?
I know, don't do that.
Okay.
Doing it for the viewers. Doing it for the viewers.
God. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. The wuss. You can't eat it? And swallow it?
Okay, second one.
You better eat and swallow it this time.
Dude, they're too cut.
You should spit it in the trash can. It's not on the floor.
Oh, your turn.
Okay. Here you go. Piece of dog food.
Wait, do it over there. Because there's more light.
You just made me jump.
I did it too. I dropped one on the floor and did it.
I'm scared.
You don't like that? That kid freaking likes dog food. That's nasty.
Freaking tastes like a graham cracker.
No, it does not.
Come right back up.
How?
It was good and bad at the same time.
How?
See? After.
Oh, that's freaking nasty. He's freaking swallowed it. Oh, that's nasty.
Pretty good, but pretty aftertaste.
Dude, that's freaking nasty.
That dog food was pretty good and bad at the same time. So. See ya.
How do you like that?
I'm gonna go get a couple.
Batman the Man here. Peace out. Wait, he's gonna get some more.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, dang it.
I
Or not.
kind of don't like it, and I kind of do like it, and I kind of don't like it. So.
Peace